see. Now this wireless charger, does it charge using micro USB on the back? I know it's like glued down. So
Yeah, I couldn't tell you specifically because I couldn't see. This is actually my first time seeing the charger as well.
Okay.
I would imagine that's the case, but I couldn't confirm that. But one of the PR guys could tell you that too. That's a pretty.
Can you show me? I know they said during the presentation that the S Pen kind of like clicks out.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. How does that work?
I'll show you some of the cool features. So you basically push in and it pops right out.
Nice.
Pull it out. It has very real pen feel to it. And this actually launches when you pull it out in lock screen or off screen memo. So this is really cool. So for example, I could jot down a quick phone number without unlocking my phone. Dave, and it's 555 because he works for the city. 2372.
That's cool.
And then what I can do is by hitting the home button, that saves it automatically in my S Note.
Oh wow.
What's great about that though is I can go ahead and access that. It'll be right there in my action memos. I can actually go ahead and choose that at a later date. I can go to more, link to action. I want to drop that in my contacts. There, boom, right into his contacts.
That's really great.
What's great about that is you can also do that if you want to Google search something. It'll take it to search. You can get directions from that. It's a very powerful, almost like a super post-it note that we have that you can do from off screen without ever having to unlock your phone.
That's really great. So this way you can just quick take a note if you need to.
Yep, whatever you need. You need a shopping list, just a quick phone number, date, appointment time, all that stuff. You really can drop it in there.
And the difference between this and the Edge Plus, hardware-wise, they're almost identical, right?
Correct, yes.
The difference being that this has the S Pen and it doesn't have the curved screen.
Right, it doesn't have the curved screen, and the curved screen is kind of a little more, multimedia consumer friendly, and this is a little more productivity friendly. Some of the cool things, for example, the S Pen has a PDF annotator.
Okay.
So, for example, if you're someone who needs to capture signatures a lot or do stuff like that, it's really a great way to go. You can go ahead and actually annotate your PDF with a signature, and then you can resave it as a PDF. So that's a perfectly legal document. You have it right on your phone. You're truly a mobile warrior.
So this is a great choice for a business user.
Absolutely.
Or even just a personal user that looks to get a lot of stuff
and that's
done.
What's great about it because we still have all the great multimedia components that are in here. The live broadcast, the great camera mechanics, all that are still included in this package. You're just getting extra stuff with the S Pen for, that's a little more business oriented.
Right. Very, very cool.